Cry Freedom by Dave Matthews is going to be played in standard tuning, and the intro walks out of an A major chord. You're going to take your first finger and bar it across the second fret of strings 4, 3, and 2 with an open 5 on bottom. And then you're going to move with your ring finger to the 6th string 4th fret, pluck that. So we've got A to the G sharp, and then we're going to hit a root and an octave of an F sharp. That's going to be first finger to the 6th string 2 fret, and then that's a down with your pick, and then put your pinky finger on the 4th string 4th fret, and that's an up with your pick. F sharp, 6th string, 4th string. And it's just a quick, after you strike those notes, just kind of let the tension off of your left hand so that those notes die. And then it's going to be an E major chord. That's an open 6th string, second finger to the 5th string 2 fret, ring finger to the 4th string 2 fret, first finger to the 3 string 1 fret, open 2, open 1 string. So you can get away strumming with the rhythm on this of just a down, 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 up, down. But the feel for most of this song, the feel for a lot of this song is a triplet strum feel of either 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That would be a down, 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 like. Or a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Something along those lines. Now, once you get that intro, the song begins on the chorus, and that's going to be the first chord of the chorus will be the A major, open 5 string, then first finger bar on the 2nd fret of strings 4, 3, and 2. You'll hit that for a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the first 1, 2, 3 is the A major. Then we're going to take this bar shape and just slide it up 2 frets, and that's our second chord. We'll strum again across the open 5 string, but now our first finger is barring the 4th fret of strings 4, 3, and 2. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So on the 1 of the next chord, we're going to be playing another A, but this is a bit of an alternate or alternative A shape from what you might be used to. Here we'll have an open 5 string, ring finger on the 4th string 7th fret, second finger on the 3 string 6th fret, first finger on the 2 string 5 fret, strumming from the open 5 string to the 2 string. So we've got that. And then a version of an E chord that Dave Matthews is playing a bit differently from how you may have played an E chord before. So the first version of this E chord in the chorus is going to be an open 6th string, first finger barring the 2nd fret of strings 5 and 4, ring finger on the 4th fret of string 3, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of string 2, and then an open string 1 behind it, so that we get. And I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down on this chord. So, and then there's a little switch out of this E chord to, the overall sound of the chord is still supposed to remain in E, but we are emphasizing the feel of a B inside of this chord now. So we're moving from here, our original E chord, to our first finger bar is going to remain intact, but we'll move with our ring finger to the 4th string 4 fret. Our first finger wants to be blocking mute the 3 string, and then your pinky finger needs to go to the 2 string 4 fret, with still, hopefully, ideally, an open 1 string behind that, so that whenever you strum across this, you heard my open 3 string sneak in there, so that hopefully whenever you strum this, you can hear an open 6, a 5 string 2 fret, a muted 4 string, 4 string 4 fret, a muted 3 string, a 2 string 4 fret, and then an open 1 string. If you can't get that 1 string to ring out, it's not a huge deal. Just kind of let your your pointer finger arch down a little bit and just mute that first string as well, because absolutely what you want to mute is that 3 string. You don't want that 3 string ringing out. If it does ring out, it turns it minor. We don't want it minor, so let your fingers kind of lay down so that whenever you get to that 3 string, it's muted. And that was, you're going to hit that just once, and then an E major chord. So again, the feel of that out of the ascending A, we've got the A to the this to the A to the E. Repeat the E, hit that 1 chord in the middle, then the E major chord again, like standard E major. Open 6 string, second finger to the 5 string, 2 fret, ring finger to the 4 string, 2 fret, first finger to the 3 string, 1 fret, open 2, open 1. So you should get that feel there. All right, and then after it does that chorus like 2 times or 4 times, I don't remember how many times it repeats that, but then that walk down again, the intro walk down, and that's how the chorus ends, bringing us now to the verse. The first verse chorus, the first verse chord. This many of these chords are very stretchy. You need your ring finger on the 6 string 7 fret. You need your second finger pulled back to the 3 string 7 fret. I'm sorry, to the 3 string 6 fret. And then between those two, you need your first finger down on the 4 string 4 fret. Your ring finger needs to be muting out the 5 string. So we've got a 6 string 7 fret, a muted 5 string, a 4 string 4 fret with our first finger, and a 3 string 7 fret. I'm sorry, a 3 string 6 fret. I called it 7 fret earlier too, but a 3 string 6 fret with our second finger. So this is going to be held for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the rhythm in it is still that 3 feel of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1, 2, 3, 4. You're subdividing in triplets with your right hand. So the second chord of the verse, you're going to leave your first finger where it is, but you're going to pick up your second finger and put your second finger now on the 6 string 5 fret and bring your pinky finger back to the 3 string 7 fret, still with your first finger on the 4 string 4 fret. Here your second finger needs to be muting the 5 string, so that we've got a 6 string 5 fret, a muted 5 string, a 4 string 4 fret, and a pinky on the 3 string 7 fret. So we've got and then this shape right here from the first chord of the verse, it's going to be that exact same shape, but down 2 frets. So your ring finger is on the 6 string 5 fret. Your ring finger is muting the 5 string. Your first finger is on the 4 string 2 fret, and your second finger is on the 3 string 4 fret. Strings 2 and 1 muted. Same rhythm there, and then so we've got and then so after that third chord of the verse, we're going to go to just a standard C sharp minor. That's going to be first finger on the 5 string 4 fret, ring finger on the 4 string 6 fret, pinky finger on the 3 string 6 fret, second finger on the 2 string 5 fret. And then that just repeats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. And I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's probably not the correct actual count. I feel like it's in 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But another way to count it that for me hits more of the beats that my right hand is thinking about is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And all the time is the same, but it's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is probably the technical count. But again, just for ease, a lot of times my brain is going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and nothing is changing about what my right hand is doing. I'm basically going down, 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 but in the muted parts, I'm just kind of keeping a tempo of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and just hitting kind of like the ones on the down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Or if you want to get more strummy, you can go down, up, down, up, down, up. Basically, that same feel, but just with successive downs and ups. It's a triplet strum. Where you're emphasizing the downs, down, 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 down. You're emphasizing the first down of each measure. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm forgetting where my count is. So needless to say, I think this is something that I've just kind of learned to feel my way through, but hopefully one of those two counts makes sense for you, though. Either the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or the just 1, 2, 3, 4 with subdivisions of 3 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that's the rhythm, kind of a wonky count, but it's a good, just kind of sparse openness of acoustic guitar through there. And then we go back to the chorus. And then eventually the chorus ends on that. And the song is over. So, those are the chords and the movements to Cry Freedom by Dave Matthews. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.